Hi, it's Tori with Salutio, and today I'm going to show you a couple of things. The first thing I'm going to show you is how to add the biographies to all the staff pages. We went ahead and set those all up for you, but I'm going to show you how to do it in case you need to update your staff in the future. So I'm going to show you how to do these right here. And then also I'm going to show you how to set up the menus, like I said, so that the pages will be displayed. So the first thing we need to do is log into the back end of the website, and we're just going to create a new article for those staff. So we're going to give it a title, and then for category, it's going to be the person's last name. So if we're doing Father Andy, we're just going to type in Father Andy, make sure that category is correct, and then you can type whatever you want here. And this is going to be the same for all the staff members. So regardless of who they are, you're just going to make sure the category is their name. So if I click on Father Andy's, I'll see that that article is now displaying. So that's how you're going to update all of their biographies. And I'm going to go ahead and unpublish this particular article that I just created. Alrighty. So now that I showed you how to create the articles, what I'm going to do now is show you how to set up the pages. So in the future, like I said, if you need to update the staff and everything, you'll know how to update those pages and create them. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to click on this menu button up top, and you can find it here from Article Manager or in the control panel. It doesn't really matter where. We're just going to click on that menu, and then we are going to click on the CL submenu. And we'll notice that it says staff and then a list of everybody's names. So what we're going to do is we're just going to open up one of them. It doesn't matter which one. And we are going to go ahead and save this as a copy. Okay, and we'll know it's copied because there's going to be a number 2 in parentheses. If you don't see that number 2 in parentheses, that means it didn't copy. So don't change the text and everything because you're just going to end up overwriting the current one. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and create a page for Deacon Kevin. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put his name here. We're going to clear the alias, and you can just hit delete. And then go ahead and just type in the person's last name. So we're going to add Joyce. So the only other settings we need to change is this choose a category section. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit clear, and then we're going to hit create. And then we're going to type in the name again, and we're going to save it. Okay, last thing we need to do is hit published, and then save. Okay, so Deacon Joyce's page is now ready. So let's go ahead and do Deacon Jay's, and I'll go ahead and leave Deacon Bart and Deacon Gary for you to do if you want. We've already done Deacon Don. So again, we're going to make sure it copies. So we're going to see that 2 in parentheses. We're going to add, we're going to add that name again. So I want to make sure that this says Riley. And then we're going to clear, create, make sure it says correct name, save it, and then publish it. So that's how you're going to create the pages. So let's say you've created the pages, and now you'll need to go and update the staff's picture or name so that they actually link to that page. So again, all we're going to do is from the control panel, we're going to go to Article Manager, and then we're just going to refine all of our search to pull up the staff articles on the staff page. Okay, so let's go ahead and update Deacon David's. name. And if there was a picture, you would just highlight it as well. So we're going to highlight the name in the picture if there's one, click insert, and then we're going to do /staff / their name. Okay, and then we're going to click enter, and we'll see that it's hyperlinked. Let's go ahead and do that again. So highlight the name and or picture, hit insert link, /staff / their last name. Alrighty, I hope this helps in terms of updating the staff images. I'll respond in my email about the other requests that Dakota had mentioned, as that might be a little easier. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you have any questions and concerns. Thanks and God bless.